Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Morning Math. Let's get started. You are going to start by putting your name into this first box. What is your first and last name? Once you finish that, take a look at your warm-up. If you have a hard copy at home, take it out. If not, take out a piece of blank paper and start writing some answers down as I go through. As you're going to notice, the facts are now multiplication today, and we're multiplying by 0. So hopefully you recall that there's some important information about zeros. You'll hear more about it today too in math. Addition, stack them up, add them. Subtraction, stack them up, borrow, subtract them. Place value, write 10 more for each number, so we're adding 10 to each number. Estimate the sum by writing a new number that's rounding to the greatest place value. And then your challenge question, Abby rolled a 637. We're going to talk about that when we get back to that part. Let's go. 8 times 0. 7 times 0. 1 times 0. 9 times 0. 4 times 0. 1 times 0. 6 times 0. 3 times 0. And that brings us to our subtraction. So you're going to write it one on top of the other. 451 minus 85. We have to borrow, so the 5 becomes a 4. The 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5. You cannot take 8 from 4, so you have to borrow from this 4. This 4 becomes a 3. This 4 becomes a 14. Once you're finished subtracting straight down, put your answer over in the box. Next, we estimate to the nearest 100. So 827, is it closer to 800 or 900? It's closer to 800 because 827, you ask the 2. The 2 says yes, so it stays the same. How about 563, closer to 500 or 600? Closer to 600. Because, the 5 asks the 6. The 6 says, no. And since the 6 says no, that means the 5 changes to a 6 and it becomes 600. So 8 plus 6 is 14 with 2 zeros, 1,400. Your answer is given. This one, add them up. 2521, 2,521 plus 7,439. When you add, make sure that if you have a number bigger than 9, you carry over. So 9 plus 1 is 10, carry over the 1. When you're finished, put your answer down here. Moving on, place value, write 10 more for, I can't see it, 10 more for 575. So if you can't do it in your head, 575 plus 10. This one here, 10 more for 263. So 263 plus 10. This one here, 1,386. Add 10. And then finally, Abby rolled a 6, a 3, and a 7. Create the largest number possible. So what's the biggest number you can make with these 3 numbers? Check the biggest number, 7. The next biggest number, 6. The next biggest number, 3. So 763 is the largest number possible. Then round that number to the nearest 10. So to the nearest 10, the 6 asks the 3. The 3 says yes, so the 6 stays the same, 760. What about to the 100? 763. The 7 asks the 6. The 6 says no, which means it needs to go up 1. That's an up symbol. Guess not. Up 1, which means that the 7 turns into an 8, 800. So I hope that you got that done and you feel good about it, and then you can fill in all your answers and turn it in. Great job, guys. Palm it.